He loves me not. He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me. Yay! He loves me!
Ever since I was a kid, I already saw the beauty of compassion and humanity. Since then, I have always dreamed of helping others.
Ma! Anong nangyari? Si ate, ayos lang ba siya?
Wala na kapatid mo. My sister already envisioned a future she wanted to be in. Matulungin, mabait, at may matabang puso. Ganyan si ate. However, things will always work the way you want it. The stars will always align in your favor. Pero baka sa iba gagana, kaya naisip ko, ako na lang kaya ang gagawa. I wanted to continue what my sister could not. Ganon yung naging routine ko. Aral doon, aral dito. Kahit mahirap, kinakaya ko. Tag-ulan, tag-init, o kahit walang kuryente. Nagsikap ako. Hanggang sa...
Bigla akong nawala sa wisyo. I can't process all the information at once. Pero ang alam ko, sobrang saya ko. Looking back, sobrang proud ako sa sarili ko. Nakaya ko yung mga bagay na akala ko hindi ko makakaya. But my dream did not end there. Malayo na, pero para sa akin, malayo pa.
Looking back, sobrang proud ako sa sarili ko. Nakaya ko yung mga bagay na akala ko hindi ko makakaya. But my dream didn't end there. Malayo na, pero para sa akin, malayo pa. When I first entered the room, everyone was stunned, including me. Ako lang ang nag-iisang babae doon. I was the first woman admitted to Harvard Medical School in 1936, at a time when it was officially an all-male institution.
This is interesting.
Ang hirap mag-aral sa malayo. Ang hirap malayo sa pamilya. Minsan, nawawalan na ako ng pag-asa at nahihirapan akong pagkasya ng lahat ng budgets ko. Minsan, naiiyak ako sa pagod at minsan naman ay dahil sa gutom. Pero tiniis ko, all for my dreams. Ang daming hindi naniwala at ang daming nagduda. I face a lot of humiliation and stereotypes, pero hindi ako nagpatina.
I was offered a lot of job opportunities, but I refused. I don't belong here, so I went home. But going back to the Philippines scared me. Alam kong mahihirapan ako. Pero sinunod ko pa rin ang puso ko. Yung unang tapak ko sa Pilipinas, parang naduraw ang puso ko. Naglakad ako papalayo, ngunit may nakita akong babaeng umiiyak at nahanap ang chino.
Wala na yung anak ko. Hindi na na-achieve every mature na at walang nagatitan dito. Ano na silbi ng buhay ko?
Ang hirap ng buhay dito. Many Filipino families lack access to affordable pediatric care, and rural hospitals have no special wards for children. They also lack resources. I got inspired from what I saw in Manila, so I worked daily. I wanted to help, so I did everything I could to help people and to fulfill my dreams. I faced a lot of challenges. Pero para sa akin, ito na yun. Nandito na ako sa tuktok ng pangarap. I founded the Children's Medical Center of the Philippines in Quezon City in 1957.
I was one of the babies Dr. Fett saved with her incubator. She's my inspiration. At ngayon, gusto kong sumigaw. I am alive because of her. Never forget, Dr. Fel Del Mundo.